do their business.
Three-legger.
They run and shake it out.
Hi, three-legger.
I know, isn't he so funny? Josh calls him the what the fuck, Indian guide dog. Because he'll have the fire going and he's just sitting by the fire like, he's like, what is it, Indian guide dog? What is it, three-legger? What is the wind telling you? See, Titan's fast, but three-legger's smart. Titan's gonna go. Run, Titan! You look scared.
He came out of nowhere.
Three-legger, let him get out. Coming around the side. Like hide and seek He was like so aired up. The other day he was going so hard he smacked right into the pole of the swing set, dude. And kept going. I was like, damn. I'm like, you need to chill, man. You're just crazy. He'll probably end up doing it again, whacking something.
As soon as I stop videotaping.
And then they'll go inside and sleep for like 4 hours. It's like awesome. That's why I told Josh, like,
Three-legger's running out of gas right now.
Yeah, he gets tired quick.
Three-legger.
He can't keep up.
Three-legger.
See his little leg shaking?
Handsome man.
He's been over it. He keeps going though. He's like, look at his strong muscles.
Where'd Titan
He's so
at?
beefy. Titan! Over there.
Run!
There he goes. They're running. Three-legger's getting tired. He can't stop himself. You better run, Titan. They've been digging over there for days.
Oh.
You guys are great. Titan! Oh no, Titan. They're running.
Titan giving him.
Titan knows he's getting tired.
Mm-hmm. That's his plan. False hope. Ooh.
Hey, three-legger! That was aggressive.
Look at Titan like, what?
Did you just get crazy? Three-legger. Three-legger.
You should do commentary.
Be nice. Poor fucking dog.
Look at him. I'm just going to sit here, wait for you to come to me. Titan's all squirrely.
Titan. Miss Titan. What the heck do you have? Old truck?
Okay,